Hello everyone, today's video is slightly different as we have been in Barcelona, Spain during the last weekend, so we want to suggest you a few nice vegan places where you can eat. So let's see which one are the best ones. The first one is the Equilibrium Cafe, close to Sagrada Familia. It's a bit pricey, but the quality of the food is good. I had a breakfast bowl with lots of fruit and Gabe had some vegan pancakes. The next one I would like to suggest is not a vegan place, but they have a vegan choice, or you can choose whatever you want from the menu that is vegan and put it all together. This is what we ate, was the vegan bowl, and it was absolutely delicious. And the beer is very cheap, which is a plus. The third place is Hammock Juice Station, and is a very cool place where you can sit if you want on hammocks. We had an amazing falafel bowl for breakfast, delicious, and a very tasty pineapple and ginger juice. The next one deserves a little bit of an introduction. I'm not a sweet tooth person, but this place blew my mind. They have so many vegan choices and everything was absolutely delicious and beautiful. You have to try it. Another very nice place is BarCeloneta Sangria bar, and you have to have tapas and sangria while you are in Barcelona, of course. We had vegan prawns, olive tofu, sun-dried tomatoes, fried gnocchi, and an amazing sangria. Very good, very well presented too. We stopped at Vegetalia just for a seitan and tofu empanada. It was delicious. Forn della Virreina is a bakery. They are not vegan, but they have vegan croissant and vegan chocolate chip cookies to die for. Ramen Dou was one of my favorite ones. The atmosphere is unbelievable. They have 2 vegan choices and their vegan ramen is mind-blowing. I got the spicy one and Gabe got the miso one, and they were absolutely delicious. This is more a suggestion if you are a food enthusiast like me. You can find vegan options too, like vegan empanadas and vegan juices. Delicious too, but is very nice. It's a very nice atmosphere. You have to visit it.